As indicated by the furthest down the line long-haul figure, Stellar cost will hit $0.2 toward the finish of 2025 and afterward $0.3 by the center of 2028. Stellar will ascend to $0.4 inside the extended time of 2032 and $0.5 in 2035. Stellar value expectation 2024-2025. Stellar cost began in 2024 at $0.12892. Today, Stellar exchanged at $0.10152, so the cost diminished by 11% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Stellar cost toward the finish of 2024 is $13 and the year-to-year change plus 1%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 13%. In 2024, we hope to see $12 per 1 Stellar. In the primary portion of 2025, the Stellar cost will move to $0.14. In the final part, the cost would add $0.01 and close the year at $0.15, which is plus 30% to the ongoing cost. Stellar forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Stellar cost would move from $1.15 to $32, which is up 113%. Stellar will begin 2026 at $15, then at that point take off to $18 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $20. That implies plus 74% from today. Stellar forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Stellar cost would ascend from $32 to $50, which is plus 56%. Stellar will begin 2031 at $32, then take off to $34 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2031 at $36. It is about plus 212% from today. The 2012-2024. Stellar value forecast 2024-2025. Stellar cost began in 2024 at $1.1292. Today, Stellar exchanged at $90, so the cost diminished by 16% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Stellar cost toward the finish of 2024 is $12 and the year-to-year change 7%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 10%. In 2024, we hope to see $11 per 1 Stellar. In the principal half of 2025, the Stellar cost will move to $13. In the last part, the cost would add $0 and close the year at $13, which is plus 19% to the ongoing cost. Stellar expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Stellar cost would move from $13 to $27, which is up 108%. Stellar will begin 2026 at $13, then take off to $15 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $16. That implies plus 47% from today. Stellar expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Stellar cost would ascend from $27 to $45, which is plus 67%. Stellar will begin 2031 at $27, then take off to $29 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $31. It is about plus 184% from today. 01152-4. Stellar value forecast 2024-2025. Stellar cost began in 2024 at $1.1892. Today, Stellar exchanged at $0.8203, so the cost diminished by 7% from the outset of the year. The determined Stellar cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.16 and the year-to-year change plus 24%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 33%. In 2024, we hope to see $15 per 1 Stellar. In the principal half of 2025, the Stellar cost will move to $0.17. In the last part, the cost would add $0.04 and close the year at $21, which is plus 75% to the ongoing cost. Stellar expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Stellar cost would move from $21 to $34, which is up 62%. Stellar will begin 2026 at $21, then at that point take off to $22 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $25. That implies plus 108% from today. Stellar forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Stellar cost would ascend from $34 to $49, which is plus 44%. Stellar will begin 2031 at $34, then take off to $33 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $35. It is about plus 191% from today. 01012-4. Stellar value forecast 2024-2025. Stellar cost began in 2024 at $1.2292. Today, Stellar exchanged at 0.1275, so the cost diminished by 1% from the very start of the year. The estimated Stellar cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.16, and the year-to-year change plus 24%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 26%. In 2024, we hope to see $1.15 per one Stellar. In the primary portion of 2025, the Stellar cost will move to $1.17. In the final part, the cost would add $4 and close the year at $21, which is plus 65% to the ongoing cost. Stellar forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Stellar cost would move from $21 to $34, which is up 62%. Stellar will begin 2026 at $21, then at that point take off to $22 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $25. That implies plus 96% from today. Stellar expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Stellar cost would ascend from $34 to $1.49, which is plus 44%. Stellar will begin 2031 at $1.34, then, at that point, take off to $1.33 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $35. It is about plus 175% from today. 12,150 2023. Stellar value forecast 2023-2024. Stellar cost began in 2023 at $1.77. Today, Stellar exchanged at $22.62, so the cost expanded by 78% from the outset of the year. The determined Stellar cost toward the finish of 2023 is $1.14 and the year-to-year change plus 98%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 11%. In the primary portion of 2024, the Stellar cost will move to $1.15. In the last part, the cost would add $1 and close the year at $1.16, which is plus 27% to the ongoing cost. Stellar expectation 2025-2029. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Stellar cost would move from $1.16 to $1.33, which is up 106%. Stellar will begin 2025 at $1.16, then take off to $19 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $21. That implies plus 66% from today. Stellar forecast 2030-2034. In this period, the Stellar cost would ascend from $33 to $51, which is plus 55%. Stellar will begin to T30 at $33, then take off to $35 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $37. It is about plus 193% from today. 12,012,23. Stellar value forecast 2023-2024. Stellar cost